2014 was an active year for the video team. We picked up a new member, some new equipment, new editing software, and some new clients. As expected, the busiest times of the year were budget season, opening day, and early in the school year for referendum votes. We'll take this time today to look back at some highlights from a year that saw the video team create 55 videos, pick up 5 NSPRA awards, and 3 more from NYSPRA. Both the Cohoes and Schenectady opening day videos were received well by the audience, and Schenectady's was even featured by Channel 13 for added exposure. The intended audience for Cohoes was incoming freshmen.
We believe that you will have a great 4 years in this high school and you can be successful.
We believe when you set your sights on something, you will achieve it.
We believe that each and every one of you will find success.
We believe that when you cross the stage in 4 years, that you'll be prepared to accomplish anything.
And Schenectady focused on graduating seniors giving thanks to their teachers.
I only did so well in those classes because they pushed me to do so.
Ms. Vasella, my guidance counselor, Ms. Weigel, my English teacher, and Mr. Pelletier, my health teacher.
A teacher that I would like to mention was Mr. Brennan, who really pushed me.
Because if I didn't have them to support me, I really wouldn't be the person I am now, graduating here, proud of myself, motivated and everything.
Perhaps your district has a special event you'd like covered by video. Mahonison and Bosse's CTE participated in Manufacturing Week this past fall, and events from the whole week were documented by the video team.
Again, it gives them that real-world connection that is difficult to do strictly in a high school classroom.
If it's engineering or if it's assembly, if somebody wants to be a machinist. There's so many diverse things that go on within the company. You could come in here and be a tech support person and travel all around the world.
Whenever it comes time for your community to vote on something, having a visual to go along with it is invaluable. Whether it's budgets or building referendums, try and show the public exactly what they are voting on.
We know that the reduction in taxes is a welcome for our taxpayers, and what we're trying to do is always maintain quality programs and maintain staff through any budget process that we have.
Using video to tell the story of what a 21st century classroom looks like was by far the most popular use of video this year. Whether it was virtual classrooms, iPad use in elementary school, career and technical education, or Common Core learning standards.
They are teaching me new ways to think about math, which I really appreciate. My son really was interested in math and felt like it was his strength. And I think as soon as the Common Core was rolled out, it became a struggle for him. But I think with that, he really understood that it was a different way of thinking about math. So I think it took him about a year or two to really catch up to the concepts and things, but with help from myself and from the wonderful teachers here at Weedsport, he was able to catch up pretty quickly.
This summer, we teamed up with Bosse's Educational Support Services to work on a large project for training staff in the requirements of the Dignity for All Students Act, and also informing parents about steps that they can take to end bullying. We plan on winning a Golden Globe for Outstanding Writing and Best Supporting Actor.
Marshall and Liz were making ads for the game Friday night, and now Liz told all of her friends that Marshall didn't know what he was doing, and he sucked at it.
Yeah, right. At least I went for it with a girl. The only person you've ever made out with is your lacrosse coach, and you loved it.
Excuse me, guys. Teasing each other about highly personal things is not okay. People's feelings get hurt, and it can lead to more conflict. Please stop.
Finally, we just want to help you tell your district's story. Video can be the most effective way to make a lasting impression, no matter how big or how small it may seem. Turn to us to help you reach more of your community.